बेगुन गुन बेगुन गुन गा बेगुन गुन गा बेगुन गुन गा बेगुन गुन गा। ये अल्लाह के सामने जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बात बेगुन गुन गा अल्लाह के सामने जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बात 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 बेगुन गुन गा बेगुन गुन गा बेगुन गुन गा गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गाए गुन गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गाए गुन गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गाए गुन गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गाए। ये अल्लाह के सामने जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बात बेगुन गुन गाए नबी का कलमा कलमा नबी का कलमा कलमा नबी का कलमा नबी का कलमा, नबी का कलमा, नबी का कलमा, कलमा नबी का कलमा,
कलमा नबी का कलमा,
कलमा नबी का कलमा हर दम जुबा पे रखना, जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बाद बेगुन गुन गा,
बेगुन गुन गा, बेगुन गुन गा,
गुन गुन गाइए गुन गा, गुन गा, गुन गाए गुन गुन गाए गुन गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गाए गाए
बेगुन गुन गा, बेगुन गुन गा,
आज जहू मौजी ज तुम्ही हो, आज जहू मौजी ज तुम्ही हो, पैदा किए के शर्म तुम्ही को, पैदा किए के शर्म तुम्ही को, मन में ये अपने सदा रंग का बेगुन गुन गा, बेगुन गुन गा,
बेगुन गुन गा,
गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गा, गाए बेगुन गुन गाइए अल्लाह के सामने, जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बाद बेगुन गुन, 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 तुम्ही हो, आज जहू मौजी ज तुम्ही हो, पैदा किए के शर्म तुम्ही को, पैदा किए के शर्म तुम्ही को, मन में ये अपने सदा रंग का बेगुन गुन गा, बेगुन गुन गा,
बेगुन गुन गा,
गुन गाए बेगुन गुन गा, गाए बेगुन गुन गाइए अल्लाह के सामने, जब जाओगे पूछेंगे बाद।
Good evening, everyone. Jai Shri Mataji. Welcome to today's Futsuk session. We are Today's session, we've got some clearing. We've organized to work on our liver, to establish the pure silence within us, to work on our heart, to establish the pure joy within our heart, and add the Sahasrar for pure bliss. So hopefully we can all experience that today. As usual, let us just bandhan the water, place our feet in it, raise our kundalinis, and give ourselves a bandhan. And again, as normal, the videos are set up so it just goes one from the other. First, we are working on our liver with our attention, right hand again, left hand on our liver, working on the heart with right hand on the heart, the Sahasrar, and then Mother's Talk, finishing off with meditation at the Sahasrar. Okay, so let us all get ready with our foot buckets. Raise our kundalinis for the bandhan. Nice few deep breaths to settle our attention. Just moving your hand in front, raising the kundalini to the top of the head. So with the desire in our hearts and the prayer, the request to Mother to please deepen our connection with the divine, to help us cleanse our energy systems, to bring us in balance. So Mother, please remove anything that distracts my attention. Please purify my attention and make me balanced. Please protect my attention from external negative influences. Let's place our left hand on our liver, which is just under the right side of our rib cage. We'll play the video with the Bija mantras for the right Swadhisthana to cool our liver down. Please feel free to say that with the video or listen to it.
Om Shri Himalaya Namaha. Om Shri Chandrama Namaha. Om Shri Kailasa Swamini Namaha. Om Shri Nirmala Chitta Namaha. Om Shri Chitta Nirodha Namaha. Om Shri Chitteshwari Namaha. Om Shri Chit Shakti Namaha. Om Shri Mukuteshwari Namaha. ओम श्री मोहम्मद नमः। ओम श्री हजरत अली फातिमा बीन नमः। ओम सर्वतापहारिणी नमः। ओम श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी नमः। ओम श्री विचार शैथिल्य नमः। ओम श्री अतिक्रिय शैथिल्य नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ओम श्री हिमालया 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 हिमालया।
Place our left hand on our lap, right hand on our right heart, on our left heart. Mother, let my tension be dissolved at your lotus feet, so that your divine love flows through my being, through my heart, and every pore of my being, and reflects your love through my actions. Mother, please let me experience the joy and surrender of being in meditation on your Kundalini. So that I am one with the beauty and the joy and the strength of my spirit.
षड्रिपु पर विजय प्राप्त करने के मंत्र। श्री निष्कामा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्कामा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निष्क्रोधा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्क्रोधा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्लोभा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्लोभा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मोहा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मोहा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मत्सरा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मत्सरा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्रीनिर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मदा ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मदा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Let's move our attention, both hands on our lap, attention on top of the Sahasrara, just a few inches above. And here we ask Mother, please reside in my brain. Please come in my brain. Please establish divine guidance in my brain. Mother, please dissolve my brain in the enlightenment of the Spirit and the divine. So I can establish my faith in my spirit. So by your grace, I can be the Spirit. Now with the attention just above the Sahasrara, we just say the mantras given by Shri Mataji for the Sahasrara.
Today I am going to tell you what are the mantras on Sahasrara, which are very important. You start it from the back. Put your right hand towards it. Put your left at the back. In the center, here. Or you can say that where there's a little getting point. On that point. Adi Mahadev. और तुम्ही लोक घ्या स्टेनलेस स्टीलचं भांडं सगळं व्यवस्थित माताजी तिकडे भांडी नाही चालत सगळं सेट करून टाका.
Please let my attention be surrendered at the Sahasrara.
चालेल आता आपण महागडी चला एकदा सुरू करा. इथे नुसतं पाणी पाणी हां सांगा
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री महागणेश साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. साक्षात् श्री महाभैरव साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः
मनस एकदम प्राण
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महत मनस साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः
शक्ती
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री महत् अहंकार साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री हिरण्यगर्भ साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री सत्य साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित्त साक्षात्
चित्त बड़ा
महत चित्त साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री विराट साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री सदाशिव साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः
अर्धबिंदू अर्धमात्र
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री अर्धमात्रा साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री बिंदु साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री वलय साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
आदि ब्रह्म
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री आदि ब्रह्म तत्व साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
परमेश्वर ते सदाशिव जे परमेश्वर आता सर्व शक्ती समन्विते माताजी सर्व
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री सर्वश्री
सर्वस्व
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री सर्वस्व साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
सहस्रार स्वामी ओम तमेव साक्षात् सहस्रार स्वामी आणि सहस्रार स्वामी म्हणून सर्वस्व झालं की नाही म्हणजे सहस्रार घ्या
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री मोक्षदायिनी साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री महायोगदायिनी साक्षात् श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
Just wash our feet and take our feet.
And last of all, the most important is your spirit. Spirit that resides in your heart. All this beauty is only perceived when there is light in your spirit. Otherwise, you cannot see all this beauty. You cannot enjoy it. Spirit is the one which is the diamond which shines on this beautiful ring of your body, mind, and your emotions. That's the most important thing. That is to be achieved, to be absolutely absorbed into your being. That state should be achieved by all of you. But the growth, if the outside is not all right, then the inside cannot be carried by that weak outside. It's such a strong thing. Spiritual life is a very strong thing. It's so dynamic. It's so powerful. Sometimes, it floods me completely. I have to control myself. The love just shoots off from the being and I want to give it. But I wonder whether you'll be able to bear it. So I have to control it a little bit. That flood may not be borne. So you have to enrich your outside to bear that inside beauty. And the more you enrich it, the more you make it strong, the more it will shine. It's so simultaneous. Because one must understand that spirit is love, is all intelligence, is all awareness. And it knows your problem. It slowly shines. It sees how far you can bear, how far you can go. Then, after realization, when you start looking after your outside, the inside starts shining by itself. But attention should be towards your spirit. All these outside qualities are so joy-giving to the spirit. You can't imagine. Try them. You will enjoy yourself. We have not been able to enjoy ourselves much. See? If we could, we would not shun the jails. I would be happy in a jail, I tell you, because I can enjoy myself there better. But the one thing is that you cannot enjoy yourself so much when you cannot share it with others also, isn't it? It becomes like that. Without sharing, you cannot enjoy yourself. And that's what should happen to all the Sahaja Yogis. At that level, you should come. We should be at that level. Try to keep your level that high is important. Sometimes you come down. You start criticizing others. Others are also not right. For example, somebody sees somebody filthy, dirty, something like that. The person who is filthy, dirty, of course, is something wrong with that person, no doubt. But that person should be pitied. At least he should be clean. That's the minimum of minimum. But instead of that, if you start criticizing that person, you also become filthy in your language, filthy in your mind and everything. So why? Leave it. Let that person improve by itself. See that he has to be clean, he has to be neat, he has to be sensible. This is to be seen by that person himself and not by you. Where is your attention? It's a habit in India. All the parents will ask the children when they are saying, where is your attention? They say, where is my attention? All right. Then again he's standing there. Where is your attention? Again he'll be on the watch. Where is my attention? We have to look after our attention, that's all. Where is my attention? Is it on the spirit?
I hope this time we are going to achieve a lot, because I have a feeling that this time in all the pujas I am really working very, very hard. Very hard. And if you people little bit decide that we are not here for enjoyment, for buying clothes or saris or anything, but we are here for our ascent. If that is decided in your hearts, I am sure it will work. Please try to control your attention. Control, Chitta Nirodha, control it. Where is it going? See, where is my attention going? Ask, where is the attention going? Ask yourself, am I there or am I out? Otherwise, you will have very funny awareness. Very funny awareness. But the most thing is that in your heart, in your mind, don't allow funny ideas to come in. First of all, watch it in your mind. It will give you ideas like this man is not good, that man is not good. Just don't listen to these things. Just listen to yourself, that where am I? What am I doing? What have I done for Sajo? My vibrations, are they all right? Am I helping others? Where is my attention? The attention has to be, what am I doing with what Mother has given to me? Now at Vishuddhi, as you know, we are collective and we have connections with others. So he said all this is a Leela. And in a very playful, mirthful way, you should deal with others and get friendly with others and create relationships. So this is the Vishuddhi. But the other point I tried to say that the relationship with others, anything, if it does not have depth, if it is superficial, if it is for ego or for some conditioning or some calculations of the mind, it is at a mental level if you are friendly with anyone, or for emotional level if you are friendly with anyone, without any depth in yourself, it can be very temporary and will have no effect whatsoever. So you have to have the depth, and to get to the depth you must look after your Agya Chakra. And the Agya Chakra is nothing but your attention. If your attention is all the time roving about, paying attention to 1001 things, then you cannot develop that concentrated penetration of your attention into things. And whatever you do is very superficial. It's not joy-giving. So the combination should be that you should look after your Shuddhi of today. For example, you can have a very playful, mirthful time together, enjoy with each other. But you have to know that it has to come from your heart or from your spirit. So how to touch that? That depth can only be possible if your attention is on the spirit and not on frivolous things. Because of that, you will become thoughtlessly aware when you will be enjoying. And that whatever you do will be very genuine. It will not have any artificiality. That is why the second part is after Leela, what we call is the Jnana part, where you deal with collectivity. The higher chakra is Agya, where it is proper, means penance. You have to go through the penance, and now in further penance is not food, is not other useless things, but what is the most important is to control your attention. Where does it go? Does it go to your worries, to your troubles, to your past, to these, to others? Or does it go to your spirit? This is important to see that your attention is on your spirit. If your attention is on your spirit, then you develop that depth, that genuineness in your relationships with others.
Just keep our attention on the Sahasrara just above and stay in meditation for a few more minutes. You can finish off whenever you like, raising your Kundalini and putting up on hand. Thank you for your vibration.
मनोभोद्यहङ्कार चेतानेनाहम् न चाश्रोत्रजीवे न चाघ्राणनेत्रे न चाव्योमभूमिन तेजो न वायो चिदानन्दरूपः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न चाप्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायो न वै सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशा न वाक्पाणिपादं न चोपस्तपायु चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मे द्वेषरागो न मे लोभमोहो मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्.
Jai Shri Mataji, thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. And we'll just put a bandhan and finish off for tonight. Good night.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता